Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can simply delete a contact in Hubspot. So this is going to be a really short video. What you want to do is just be in contact and click contacts. Click on one contact or multiple ones, that's completely up to you. And right to the edit you're going to see delete. Let's click on that. Delete one contact. You are about to delete one contact. Use the text field below to confirm the number of contacts you want to delete. You have 90 days to restore deleted contacts. Right here one, click delete. And voila, this is how you can simply delete a contact in Hubspot. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, etc. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.